Our most popular vehicle is the Hyundai Mighty EX6, and it is the bread and butter of Papua New Guineans and moving cargo around PNG. So the Hyundai Mighty for us in PNG is all about that reliability and durability and the ability to be flexible. And that's one thing we do at PNG Motors with Hyundai, is make sure our customers are looked after well. And with the quality and durability and reliability of Hyundai Accent trucks, it's fantastic. So wouldn't do any more.
This time I tried the Mighty EV1. I think it's quite good. For Hyundai chassis, we have a lot of advantage that we have quite complete support from the R&D team, from the manufacturing team, and the sales team.
The Mighty is very competitive in our market. I think the quality and I think what we get from a specification point of view is quite good. And we should be knocking on the doors of all our competitors with that product. With the Accent, a potential new entry into Australia, its quality and its drive is quite nice. Factory tour was super impressive. Standard, very, very high standard for Hyundai, and really amazed at what they've been able to put together and the facility itself. It's very impressive. And the test drive itself, yes, the trucks are driving great. The track's fantastic, and obviously the hospitality is perfect too.